Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for February 11th, 2016. It is a very cold Thursday morning out there with temperatures ranging from the lower to mid teens over the interior to the upper teens to lower 20s along the coast with a strong westerly wind at around 10 to 20 miles per hour, leading to wind chills in the single digits and mid teens. We're also going to be dealing with a few snow showers here and there as a series of disturbances move through the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area, and a few of these snow showers will be capable of producing visibility falling below a mile and some quick accumulation of a dusting to an inch in most locations. So let's dive into this very cold forecast. As you can see, this disturbance right here, okay, is one of many that's going to be diving through the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area today, tomorrow, and for Saturday, leading to the threat for scattered snow showers, and at times they will be widespread and capable of producing some snowfall accumulation. My primary concern is that a few of these snow showers will be capable of almost being like thunder showers in the summer and leading to some very heavy downpours of snow for a short period of time without much warning. So if you're traveling in one of these snow showers, do drive a little bit slower, even stop for a moment or two, as the visibility will fall rather quickly in some of these snow showers. On the radar, you can see a few of those snow showers already moving through. One of those snow showers I was talking about with the capability of producing an intense heavy burst of snowfall is currently moving on the east end, should I say, of Long Island, and it produced a nice little burst of snow over portions of southern Connecticut earlier this morning. And of course, we still have our lake effect that we are dealing with out here in the Great Lakes, uh, right around SUNY Oswego, where I actually went to college. They've had about 2 feet of snow already. And the reason why I bring that up is that a few of these snow showers will be capable of pushing into the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area and also much of eastern Pennsylvania. Just like this one right here pushing into Philadelphia Metro, that is connected all the way back to Lake Erie. So you can see how some of those snow showers from lake effect snow can reach the region, producing some flurries to some rather convective snow showers. On the infrared satellite picture, you can see this is all cold air. This is not cloud cover, and this cold air is just continuously streaming into the region. And in fact, by tonight, a lot of the northern mid-Atlantic will be covered in this blue because temperatures would just be so cold. We're talking about teens and by this weekend, single digits for lows. That is some very cold air for this time of year. So let's dive into this forecast. For this afternoon, look for a few scattered snow showers here and there, highs in the upper 20s to lower 30s. For this evening, those snow showers will remain a threat into the overnight hours. Most locations, though, will have scattered cloud cover, with lows by tomorrow morning in the mid to upper teens. For tomorrow afternoon, again, a threat for snow showers once again. Now we have this low pressure system here out over the Atlantic. This will remain over the Atlantic, but the moisture associated with this low pressure system will start to kick back a little bit towards the coast and produce more widespread snow showers. Look for highs tomorrow afternoon in the mid to upper 20s, so there will be no threat as far as limiting accumulation. The cold air will just support rapid accumulation of anything that falls. So there won't be any potential where the snow falls but it doesn't stick. It will stick, that is for sure. And on Saturday, we have another cold front moving through, widespread snow showers with temperatures ranging from the mid to upper teens for lows and upper teens to lower 20s for highs. So definitely there will be potential for a few snow squalls with this cold front moving through as well. On Sunday, Arctic high pressure will be in control with clear skies and brutally cold temperatures. We're looking at lows in the single digits and highs in the mid to upper teens. Now, throughout this entire period, from today all the way on through Sunday, we're going to have a pretty strong northwesterly wind at 15 to 25 miles per hour, leading to some wind chills in the single digits, even single digits below zero. So do bundle up in this cold air mass that's going to be in place. On Monday, look for increasing clouds with the high pressure system shifting off the coast. Look for lows in the mid to upper teens, highs in the upper 20s to lower 30s. Then on Tuesday, this low pressure system is going to have to be watched very carefully. Now, to be clear, the expected track here is going to be right along the coastal plain. So that means the major cities we'll see snow, sleet, freezing rain changing over to rain. How much snow and ice accumulates on the coast will depend basically on the track of this low pressure system, the speed, and also, quite frankly, the models typically don't handle the retreat of Arctic air very well, and typically that Arctic air tends to hang on a little bit longer than what some of the model guidance suggests. So that's something that is going to be a real big concern on Tuesday morning with the threat for some ice. Over the interior, let's say northeastern Pennsylvania, the Poconos, northwestern New Jersey, the Hudson River Valley, that is going to be an area where we're going to have to watch out for some significant snowfall accumulation and some ice accumulation as well. As you can see, by the time we get to Wednesday morning, that low pressure system is tracking up through the Hudson River Valley. So you kind of get the idea here where this low pressure system is sitting over North Carolina, lifts up through New Jersey towards the Hudson River Valley and towards New England, with periods of snow, sleet, freezing rain changing over to rain along the coast, and a wintry mix of snow changing over to sleet and freezing rain, possibly back over to snow over the interior. Temperatures on Tuesday will range from the upper 20s to lower 30s for lows and mid to upper 40s for highs. And then on Wednesday, those temperatures will fall throughout the day with highs early in the morning in the upper 30s to lower 40s, falling through the 30s and into the 20s as we head towards the evening hours. This cold front will move through on Thursday with scattered snow showers and temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 20s for lows and mid to upper 30s for highs. And that is your forecast for today in what will be a very cold followed by a rather active weather pattern as we head into the middle of next week. As always, thank you for following NYNJPA weather and stay safe out there.